Hi guys, thanks for watching Avery Home Search. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this candle holder. We're going to use these Dollar Tree candle holders to start, and we need about 6 of them for the first one, and we're going to need 4 of them for the second one, because we want one to be taller than the other. So the first thing we're going to do is start with some Mod Podge, and we're going to use our foam brush, and we're just going to go around the base of the candle holder like this. And you're going to do this around all 6 candle holders. And once you're finished with the base, alright, so after we're done with the base, we're going to sprinkle some crushed white glass that you get from Michael's. So we're going to just sprinkle a little of that around our base. And we're going to do the other 5 the same way for this particular candle holder. Then I'm going to show you what to do next. Alright, so we want it to look like this. And just so you know, I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. We're going to put our Mod Podge around this part of the candle holder as well. And we're going to do the same thing, just apply the crushed glass around the candle holder. And now that we're done, we're going to add our crushed glass. Alright, so that's how it's going to look. So I'm going to finish doing the top and bottom parts of the candle holders on all of the glass candle holders, and I'll show you what they look like when I'm done. Alright guys, so now we have finished adding our Mod Podge and our crushed glass, and we're just going to let it dry. As you can see, we have it on the base here, and of course we have it around the top of the candle where the tapered candle goes. So we're going to let those dry, then we're going to start stacking them for our candle holder. I have this left over from another project and I need to use it before it's all dried up. So originally I was going to use E6000 and my glue gun, so this is optional. And we're going to take our E68 or E6000 and just go around the rim and like so. So this is going to give it a permanent bond. And I'm going to take my candle holder and just sit it on top, and that's going to give it a really good bond. And that's what they're going to look like, guys, for now.